Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Balanitis cream is probably one of the most important products for men dealing with this uncomfortable condition. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Balanitis creams, exploring what they are, how they work, and most importantly, how to choose the right one for you. We'll cover everything from the active ingredients to the potential side effects, ensuring you're well informed to make the best decision for your health. Number 5. Terrasil Balanitis Relief, Natural Foreskin Ointment. Are you experiencing discomfort? This ointment provides fast relief from symptoms like itchiness and irritation. It's designed for daily use to soothe and calm the affected area. This cream uses natural ingredients to protect and heal. Ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, and jojoba oil work together to support faster healing and protect the skin. What makes this product special? It features activated minerals, developed over 20 years. These minerals, combined with other ingredients, effectively treat and support skin healing. Worried about sensitivities? This product is made with natural ingredients and is free of harsh chemicals. It's dermatologist-tested and hypoallergenic, making it safe for sensitive skin. This product is made in the USA with the highest quality standards. It's formulated with the finest ingredients to deliver powerful results. Plus, it's FSA and HSA approved. What we like. This product offers fast relief from balanitis symptoms. It uses natural ingredients to soothe and heal. If you're looking for quick comfort and a gentle solution, you should consider this one. What people say. I started applying this ointment to my glands and my foreskin, twice a day, and for the first time in a long time, my foreskin is able to peel back from my glands. Simply works great, nothing better. It works great. Number 4. Terrasil Balanitis Relief Cream. Are you experiencing discomfort? This ointment provides fast relief from symptoms like itchiness and redness. It uses natural ingredients to soothe and calm the affected area. This cream is designed to protect and heal. It's made with natural ingredients like beeswax and coconut oil to support faster healing and protect against infection. What makes this product special? It contains activated minerals, developed over 20 years. This technology works with other ingredients to effectively treat and support skin healing. Concerned about safety? This product is dermatologist-tested and made with natural ingredients. It's free of parabens, alcohols, and steroids, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Want a product you can trust? This is formulated with the finest ingredients and made in the USA. It meets the highest quality standards and is FSA and HSA approved. What we like. This product provides effective protection and healing. It is formulated with natural ingredients and is dermatologist tested. If you are looking for a product that offers both relief and protection, you should consider this one. What people say. I've been struggling with balanitis for years, my glands are red and painful to touch and my foreskin gets very tight, not able to peel back. I started applying this ointment to my glands and my foreskin, twice a day, and for the first time in a long time, my foreskin is able to peel back from my glands. If this isn't working for you, you don't have balanitis and you need medical attention from a doctor. I have a very severe case of balanitis and this is actually helping me. It hasn't cured my symptoms but it's showing signs of improvement. Simply works great, nothing better. Excellent result ado. Number 3. Terrasil Balanitis Relief Kit. Are you experiencing discomfort? This treatment provides fast relief from symptoms like itchiness and irritation. It's designed for daily use to keep you comfortable. This kit includes a specially formulated soap bar. It's designed for effective cleansing and care of the penile area. This helps protect against infection and promotes healing. This product is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. It uses natural ingredients like calendula and tea tree oil. This ensures it's safe and gentle on your skin. It features activated minerals, developed over 20 years. These minerals, combined with other ingredients, effectively treat and protect the skin. It also supports the healing process. This product is made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. It meets the highest manufacturing standards. It's also FSA and HSA approved. What we like. This kit kit includes both ointment and cleansing soap for comprehensive care. It is designed for effective care and relief. If you want a complete solution for treating and cleansing, you should consider this kit. What people say. The product showed a huge difference in just a few days between the soap and ointment. Big huge difference. Soothing and moisturizing and fast relief. Terrasil Balanitis relief is nothing short of a miracle. This kit swooped in like the superhero of personal care, saving me from discomfort faster than I could Google why does this hurt so much. Number 2. Terrasil Balanitis Soap for Men. Are you experiencing itchiness, redness, or irritation? This soap provides gentle relief from balanitis symptoms. It's designed for daily use to keep you comfortable. This soap is formulated with natural ingredients like calendula, beeswax, and jojoba oil. These ingredients work together to cleanse and support the natural healing of the penile area and foreskin. It contains activated minerals, developed over 20 years. This technology, combined with select ingredients, effectively treats and protects the skin. It also supports the healing process. This product is made with all natural ingredients and is free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. It's dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, making it safe for sensitive skin. This soap is made in the USA with the finest ingredients and to the highest quality standards. It is FSA and HSA approved, offering you a reliable solution. What we like. This is a cleansing soap that provides gentle relief. It is made with natural ingredients and is dermatologist tested. If you prefer a soap-based treatment for daily use, you should consider this one. What people say. It works great. The soap gets the job done by thoroughly cleaning under the foreskin better than any other soap I've tried, so the main purpose of the soap is completed greatly. Used it for less than a week and definitely noticed a change automatically. Number 1. Terrasil Balanitis Relief Kit. Are you experiencing discomfort? This kit offers fast relief from balanitis symptoms. It quickly soothes itchiness, irritation, and redness. The ointment contains natural ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, and jojoba oil. These ingredients protect the skin and support faster healing. Use it daily for the best results. The calendula soap bar gently cleanses the affected area. It provides anti-inflammatory benefits thanks to ingredients like shea butter and peppermint oil. This product uses activated minerals, developed over 20 years. This technology, combined with other ingredients, effectively treats and protects the skin. It's made with all natural ingredients and is free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. It's dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, making it safe for sensitive skin. Terrasil is made in the USA with the highest quality standards. It's formulated with the finest ingredients and is FSA and HSA approved. What we like. This kit includes ointment and calendula soap for therapeutic benefits. It is made with natural ingredients and is dermatologist tested. If you like the added benefits of calendula, you should consider this kit. What people say. Works. The combo of the two products, it is working better than any prescription I have attempted to use. The product works as expected, it cures well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.